Okay, now let's move to the next classification of attributes. Here we have single valued versus multi-valued attributes. Okay, what is a single valued attribute? Okay, it is an attribute that has only a single data value for an entity instance. Okay, say if the entity type is teacher, so that entity type teacher has many teachers. Okay, I just take one example here. Say Ali is one of the teachers, one of the instances under teacher entity type, and Ali as an instance has only a gender. I repeat, only one or a gender. Ali is a male. There's no way that Ali as an instance, okay, may have more than one gender. So for that reason, gender is an example of single valued attribute. Okay, now we move to the next one, the multi-valued attribute. What does it mean? Okay, multi-valued attribute is an attribute that has more than one data value for an entity instance. Again, I use Ali as our example. Okay, as an instance, okay, Ali has many hobbies. Okay, as you can see, hobbies. Okay, why not just a hobby? Because as a person, or even Ali, as a teacher, may have many hobbies. So it means that hobby is an example of multi-valued attribute. That an instance, such as Ali, may have multiple hobbies. Okay, let's see the next example. Okay, I still have teacher as the entity type. So from here you can see teacher ID, first name and last name are all single valued attributes. Okay, say ID. Okay, as a teacher, okay, an instance such as Ali has only one data value for ID. And even a name, perhaps his first name is Ali. So that Ali is again a single valued attribute. Let's say an example of single value. One only a single value, a data value that is stored for first name. But here we have language. Language is not single valued attribute. Why? Because as an instance, such as Ali, he is a teacher who may be able to speak more than one language. So language is multi-valued attribute because a teacher may speak more than one language. As simple as that. Okay, look at this example from this slide. You may be able to see this example of multi-valued attribute more clearly. So there are three instances there. We have Fernando Torres, Debaba, Jose Mourinho. Okay, as an instance, Fernando Torres may be able to speak more than one language. So in this case, language, okay, is multi-valued attribute. Okay, same thing goes to Debaba. He may be able to speak French and English. So you can see there are two data values entered in this cell, in this small box, under this field or attribute. Again, Jose Mourinho is able to speak three different languages. So there are three data values which are stored together in this small box. So bear in mind that multi-valued attribute is a problem that must be resolved. Okay, how to resolve it? So you may see it from the next slide. Whenever we have multi-valued attributes such as language, or previously I used another example, hobby, or perhaps I may share with you another one, academic qualification. Academic qualification is also another example of multi-valued attributes. Okay, for example, Ali as a teacher may have more than one academic qualification. So I've told you that multi-valued attribute is a problem. So how to solve it? Okay, this is the way to deal with it. So what I did is that I have actually removed, okay, teacher language from the original entity type, teacher. There's no more teacher language attributes here. That a new entity type has been created for language. So it is how to do it again. I repeat, the multi-valued attribute must be removed from the original entity type, and a new entity type should be created for that purpose. Okay, just for language, or perhaps hobby, or academic qualification. And remember, between teacher and teacher language, the original entity type and the new entity type must have a relationship. Either it is one-to-many relationship or many-to-many relationship. That will be explained to you later on. Okay, that's all. And that is the example of single-valued and multi-valued attributes. Thank you.